In this class, you will learn how to properly install Moho scripts in less than few minutes. First, what you need to do is to go onto your browser and input this website, that is mohoscript.com. Once you click that, then you can see various Moho scripts which are free for you to use. Then you can click on any one. Here I already have two that I've clicked on, and these two will be installing these two scripts onto this system. So let's proceed. So after you've downloaded it, then you open up your Moho, click on scripts, then install scripts. But I want you to notice this area here. So you notice the scripts that are here are different from, just note this script that are here. So when we install a new script now, you can identify the differences. So from these instructions, all you need to do is select a script folder since you just downloaded it. Then you move on to download. So from here, normally on the download folder, this is what I have. So what I need to do first is to make sure that I unzip this script. So for this one, which is this, that has been unzipped. So then after we've done with that, we will unzip this as well. So let's proceed with that Moho. So from on Moho file, this is what we have. Okay. So it won't show you the zip file, it will show you the unzip file. Okay. So you click on it. Since we have another folder inside, so just select this and select folder. Just click this down here. Then it says installation complete. So now you can once you click OK, you can try to look for it. So once I select this now, you can notice this addition. So there are some scripts whereby when you install it, it might not occur or it might not appear on frame 0. It all depends on what the script is meant for. So you can see now, going back there, here it is already. Okay. So now for the second one, there are some type of scripts that once you're about to download it, you'll see these two options. We have install as button and install as menu scripts. So the one we have been using is install as button, which is this. So the menu scripts, though it works the same way, but just select install as button, then select download. Okay, so when we have that download folder downloaded already, so what I'll do now is to let me delete this. This one is not a complete folder, so it's not really downloading. I mean, I could not install that. So select this, right click, then extract here. So we already have that now. Then open up Moho, go to install. Please take note of this area. Then select our script, download this. So then select this and select folder. So it says installation complete. So you click OK. Now, from what you can notice now, you can see the icon here. So it all depends on the type of script you want to use. I run a professional class for both beginners, intermediate, and professionals in this course of Moho, and it's at a very cheaper rate. We are running this as a bonus or a bonanza, pending the time we complete the course. So if you are seeing this video and you really want to learn more about Moho and get every full details in with just a tutor, then kindly click this link below and chat me up directly on WhatsApp. All right, so see you guys. I can't wait to see you guys on the other side. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like, subscribe, and share to your friends, family, and total strangers.